Yan. Ako nga pala si Angelito Orbigoso from BSIC 3A. Sa video na to, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-install ng SAP. Saka paano rin gamitin. Okay. So, proceed tayo sa step 2. Madali lang mag-download. Okay. So, sa pag-setup ng SAP, syempre, mililitaw na mga options. Click next ka lang, choose folder, default mo lang, and lastly, choose your language, English. Okay, proceed to third step. Third step, dito ka na mag-create ng HTML or CSS file din sa loob ng htdocs dun sa SAP mo. Okay, next. Lastly, step 5. O 5 nga ba? Hindi naintindihan yan. Basta last, localhost SAP. Dito ka na mag-open ng HTML, ang ginagawa mong project, kung saan yung project mo ay pwede nang preview sa browser para may kaalaman ka kung paano o kung gaano kapangit ang iyong project. So yan, start na tayo. Buksan mo yung SAP, pindutin mo yung admin, yung SQL, saka yung sa taas. Tapos na-place mo na dapat yung HTML file mo dun sa htdoc folder para makita natin. Then open browser, type the localhost, then lilitaw na dun yung mga folder na nilagay mo sa htdocs. So yun lang. Next, on the other task, this is the code that I made. So let's start the column. Alright, this is called grid system bootstrap. So as you can see on the clip, I select the container fluid. Show you that that's my container for my row and also for my columns. Yeah, so that's the code. By the way, I use the CSS inside of the HTML style inside what I go of ng HTML yung CSS ko. Yeah, so yan, I'm showing the first column, which is the manhwa text, the the aqua color on the top. And the second column, which the order, title, and the chapter. Align. So and I scroll down and I'm showing in this video the third to fourth column. Sorry, 8th column. And I also use CSS, a different design. And what I'm doing here, I'm showing the background picture that I use for my background. And in this clip, I highlighted the link to the bootstrap that I use for CSS. And this is my finished project.